back to my YouTube channel. So I have my Cricut Air Explorer 2 that I just purchased because I want to be able to make my own vinyl labels and stickers. So I bought this as an investment for my business. If you don't know, I do have a beauty line for spiritually infused beauty products. So what I currently have out now is like crystal lip glosses infused with actual crystals like amethyst and rose quartz. So I thought it'd be pretty cool to have my own label printer, or I should say vinyl printer, so that I can make those myself instead of having to like print from Avery, because I do feel like the stick-on labels that I have are just a wee bit ghetto. So yeah, I don't want those anymore. So basically, this is what it looks like. This is the box it comes in. The top. And this is the bag. It's literally so pretty. Like, I've been obsessed with lavender. So I'm very excited. And I got this from Michaels. So I'm pretty sure Michaels is the only one that sells this color. So if you are looking for this color, the lilac or lavender, you would have to get it from Michaels. I did purchase it on sale for $200, but normally the price, like if you were to get it from Michaels or Walmart, is $229. And for some reason on the actual Cricut website, it's like $249. So, you know, I would just go to a different site to get it than the actual Cricut site if you want to save some money. So let's get to opening. Nice. So it is very neatly packed, which I'll show you. So it's neatly packed, like where it won't move or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about that. So that's always great. It does come with your cutter mat, so that's perfect. So you don't have to buy that. It does come with it. I think there's, oh yeah, it's like plastic on it. So yeah, this is definitely needed. Looks like a little what am I trying to say, like manual on how to set up the stuff, so I'll get into that later. And there's a little sticker on it, says keep it looking new, reuse the bag. Nice. So I guess if you ever like need to move your stuff, you can reuse this bag that they give you. I don't know why I'm so nervous trying to take this out like this. No. Let me do this on the floor really fast. One moment. Okay, I am back. I just got nervous if I were to take it out, how I was trying to take it out, that if it fell. So this is what I was talking about. So it makes it like really sturdy, so that it doesn't just fling around in the box. And it says that basically you can reuse this bag to keep it looking new, which is great because I will be moving in a few months, so this is not my forever location. So it comes nice and packed. Get a little closer. So it comes nice and packed. Oh my gosh. I kind of like hate taking the plastic off of stuff because I'm like, it can get like I don't know, scratched and stuff. But guys, let me tell you, this thing, oh, it's like so disturbing when a sticker doesn't come off like neatly. I have issues. Okay. Guys, it's literally freaking gorgeous. I wanted to switch the angle so you guys get a better view, but literally it's so pretty. Yes. So these are all the dials, power, paper, vinyl. So however, you know, whatever you're choosing to cut, you just switch it to that. So let's get ahead, let's open it. Yo, I feel like that was like, I don't know, some magic shit. Like, you ever seen like Harry Potter where it's like the, you know what, let me not even get into it, but this is so nice. This is so freaking nice. Wow. I think you can store things. Yes, you can. You can store stuff in this little compartment. Ooh, pardon my shoes. Sorry. But this is so freaking nice. So it does come with a power outlet. Comes with a maca. And this is USB port, which I don't feel is necessary because if I'm not mistaken from the numerous YouTube videos that I've watched prior to purchasing mine, I believe it's like wireless, like Wi-Fi. So I don't even think that's necessary. But let me go ahead. I'm gonna set it up, plug it in, and we can see what it looks like. So they provide you with actually two cardstocks for you to be able to test out your printer with. So that's what I'm going to do now. So my machine is all turned on. It is on cardstock. Don't know what that means. Maybe that means hurry up, insert the paper. So I'm going to test it out now with the cutter that they have. So let's see. Okay, so if you don't know, because I actually didn't, is this is actually sticky. So when you put it on there, it sticks. So I'm gonna fix it properly off camera and then I'll insert it and boom, it is properly on there. Take off. What that is. Okay, I'm gonna have to try and get that off later. But it is properly on there. So prepare for cut. So let me go to the next step. Step 2, confirm the blade is set in place in clamp B. Okay. I mean, yeah. B. I'm like, yeah. Yeah. I guess that's right. Okay. Push mat up under the guides towards the rollers. Okay, so I guess that's, yeah, okay. Push map under the guides towards the rollers. Sorry, I have to read things a few times in order to like kind of like process to make sure I'm doing the right thing. So I mean, yeah, it's underneath the rollers. Press the flashing load, press the flashing load unload button on the machine. So that is this thing. I'm scared, I'm like nervous. Okay, so I'm gonna, oh my gosh. That was fast. press the flashing go button on the machine. Okay. Oh my gosh. That's so fucking sick. Okay, so wow. Oh, this shit don't wanna come off though. Dang. Alright, so I'm bucking up this whole thing. Okay, wait, no. So I actually was taking it off properly. Those pieces are supposed to come off anyway. But look at this flower. So pretty. Wow. So I wanted to go over a few things that I purchased for my Cricut that are just pretty essential to when you're just starting out and just things you need. So first I'm gonna start with some vinyl paper. So basically this is white vinyl. It's from Cricut. I had the box but I threw it out. So it's matte Cricut paper. So I'll be using this for my labels for my lip glosses, and I'll get some other colors like pink and black, but just for now I just needed white. And this is a Cricut, sorry, let me get in focus, Cricut transfer tape. So this is how you are going to really okay. So this is how you are going to get your stuff to stick pretty much on whatever you want it to stick on to. I got this, everything I got is off of Amazon as far as like the accessories. So I got that off of Amazon. Let me pick up this damn thing. Sorry guys. And last but not least is my Cricut basic tool set. I'll link all of this down below. Like I said, I got all of this stuff from Amazon. So you have a spatula to, you know, lift your stuff clearly, which probably would have definitely helped when I was trying to lift off that cardstock. We have a weeder so you can weed out like the letters and stuff. Scraper, so that definitely easily cleans the mat. Applies design, so that makes it go on smoothly. Scissors, self-explanatory. Tweezers, yeah, that just kind of lets you put things precisely. But I believe this was like 16 or 14. Doesn't have the price on there, but I'll definitely link it down below. I will be doing a video on just when I make my first label. I'm not gonna do that today, but yeah, so we're good to go. All right, see you guys next time.